Muslims were promised from the time you were in the womb of your mother that your food on the table has been promised by Allah. Your risk has been written by Allah. Whether you work or you don't work, your food has been written. But you have been ordered to make an effort. Don't miss that point. We got to make the effort, but you don't put that food on the table. What about the millionaires who can work and who can buy factories and who can buy all these companies that produce food, but they can't eat it because they're not healthy? So they're working for food. They can buy the food factory. They can buy the supermarket. They can own the food, but they can't put it on the table because they can't eat it. So you don't work for food. You work to make the effort that God has commanded us to make the effort, and He provides.